Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way to make money online in 2018 as a beginner with literally no experience. Alright, so with that being said, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom that you deserve. Alright, also tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. Alright, so with that being said, we're going to jump right into the content. So follow along with me throughout the rest of this video, because I can promise you by the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can start generating yourself some extra income so you can eventually get to the point where you can start having the life that you deserve. Alright, so with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, I want you to do this as I'm doing this. The reason is because I find that in this industry, a lot of people they will consume a lot of content, but they won't implement what they learned. So please, I'm begging you, do this with me so you can learn exactly what you need to do to start generating some more income. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so what you're going to do first, the first step number one, is I want you to go ahead and type whatever niche you are currently in or you're thinking about getting started, right? So if you're a beginner, maybe you don't have any videos on your channel, but you really want to get started, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, alright? So I'm going to go ahead and type the niche that I'm in. So if you're in affiliate marketing, you're in dog training, maybe you're in intermittent fasting, whatever your channel is about, go ahead and type that in, alright? So after you typed it in, go ahead and hit the search button or hit the enter button, whatever, right? And it's going to bring you over here to all the videos that are ranking for that term. Now, what you're going to do so that you can kind of categorize this stuff is you're going to go right here to where it says filter, click on it, and then you're going to go to type, and then the section type, and then you're going to go to channel. Now, what this is going to do is every channel that's based around affiliate marketing, YouTube is going to categorize it, right? So as you can see, affiliate marketing MC, deadbeat super affiliate, affiliate marketing ninjas, ODI productions, right? So all of these channels are based around affiliate marketing. So the strategy which I'll be getting here in a minute is you're going to first do the research on all these channels. Not all of them, at least pick about 10 channels. Right? Now, the point behind you picking these channels, I'll explain here in a minute. All right, so let's say you pick these first 10, right? You don't have to pick the first 10. You can kind of look at these and kind of see, actually go into the channel and see, maybe you can relate to this person and you see some videos that maybe you can create content on as well, okay? So what I would do, right, the first channel, let's say that we're going to use Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Alright, now when I go to the channel, there's only a few things I'm looking at, right? So I'll look, see if he, check out the cover photo. So if you don't have a cover photo, you can kind of get an idea, right? But mostly what I'm paying attention to is I'll look at the subscriber base. So he has 142,000 subscribers. And then I'll go directly over here to the video section, alright? So I clicked on videos. Videos was right here. I clicked on that. Now, I don't really care about every single video that he makes. All right. I'm going to go here to where it says sort by, and then I'm going to sort by most popular. Right. Reason I'm doing that is because I want to create a ton of traffic here on my channel. Right. So I'm looking for the videos that are going to help me drive that massive traffic. So if we look at if we kind of observe what he's doing, right? So he makes most of his thumbnails look pretty much like that, right? So I can kind of use that as an idea. I don't want to copy exactly what he's doing, but I want to kind of model, okay, I can kind of do my thumbnails like this, right? And then I take a look at what type of titles he's creating as well, right? So sometimes I'll even use their exact title, but remember one thing. If you're going to do that, remember this. You are unique. You're not that person. You are unique, right? So you are creative in your own way. So what you want to do is you want to recreate what they're doing. So model it. Don't completely copy it, okay? All right, so I'll look at the thumbnails, I'll look at the titles, and then what I'll do sometimes is I'll watch the video just to see what it is that he's talking about, and then I'll say, okay, how can I recreate this video in my own way to make it unique to myself and also make it better? That's what I'm looking at when I'm looking at the video. All right, so we can check it out, right? So if we can see here how to make $1,000 a day on YouTube as a lazy 14-year-old, Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners, how to make $1,000 fast with Flippa. So we can see that, you know, these videos are getting tons of traffic, right? 275,000 views, 265,000 views, 1.1 million views, 844,000 views, right? So I may look at a few of those different videos and see which ones I want to go with. The key here is not to just pick the top 10, right? That's not what you want to do. You want to kind of go around and see what other videos you can recreate to be unique to yourself, right? And then after we're done with his channel, what I usually do after I find those titles, I'll put them in an Excel spreadsheet like this. Now, this is actually one of my spreadsheets that I use, where I just kind of put the keyword. As you can see, it's the primary keyword, and then I'll just put that in there, and then I'll create a title based around that keyword. And what I'll do actually, if you want a Excel sheet set up pretty much like this, where you can do exactly what I'm doing, then I'll leave this in the description so you can pretty much just download it and, you know, go for it. All right, so let's go back. So after I'm done with his channel, then I would do the exact same thing to the other 9 channels that we pick, right? So you pick 10 channels that you want to use, and then go through them exactly how I'm going through them here by sorting, by going to their channel, and then, you know, look at their subscribers. But the most important part is to go here to videos. So you see how it says home videos? You're going to go to videos, and then you're going to sort by most popular. Because we don't care about every video. We care about popular videos that are driving tons of traffic to our page. All right. So that's the strategy. Now we're going to talk about how you're actually going to make money using this. Okay. All right. So let's say so this is a website called clickbank.com, right? Now they allow you to sell other people's products for a percentage of the earnings, and most products on here are like digital products. So that means that you're going to get a higher, a larger percentage of the commission. Right? Now, if you're doing something like Amazon affiliate program, Walmart, Best Buy, you know, different ones like that, you're not going to be getting like a large percentage, because those are, majority of those products are like, majority of those products are like products that have to be shipped out. So there's overhead within that, which is why you would only get like a small percentage. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and then I'll show you basically what you can do. All right. So based on your niche, right? So if you, let's say you're an affiliate marketing niche, maybe you're not, but let's just use it for example, saying you're an affiliate marketing niche. So what you would do is you would go to Marketplace. All right. And once you log in and you create your account, you would go to Marketplace. Now, since you're in the affiliate marketing niche, and I am as well, I would go to e-business and marketing. So you see this right here: affiliate marketing, article marketing, auctions, blog marketing, and so on and so on. All this stuff is based around online business. And what you want to, the products that you want to go after are the digital products, the ones that when someone pulls their credit card out and buys a product, it's going to be with them immediately, which means that you have a big opportunity for a larger commission, right? And just to be honest, you're probably going to get your commission a lot faster. Just those are 2 important things that you want to keep in mind. All right. So you would go in. Let's just say I'm going to click on the affiliate marketing. All right. So let's say this is the product that you're promoting. what you will want to do, right? So we talked about the strategy where you're recreating videos. What you want to do on the front end, before you try to present a product to someone, you want to provide value to that person. After providing value, then you want to recommend your product at the end of the video. Some people do it in the beginning of the video, just so they can get that out of the way. You can kind of switch it up and do some split testing to see which one works better for you. But what I like to do and what works the best, in my opinion, is providing value on the front end. Now, what is value, right? Because I get that question too. Value is educating more than you sell, right? Educating more than you sell. So, and you see, once again, sell is on the back end. So educate, right? Give value, show people how to do something, right? And then on the back end, you're going to say, okay, so now, let me see what I would say. I hope that you got some value here in this video. And if you did, now, if you want to learn, you see where I'm going with this? If you want to learn more about, more information on how you can do this on a more advanced level, then I'll leave a link in the description for you. And this is where you basically put your affiliate link in the description box here on YouTube, and then that's how you're going to be able to create more income for yourself. Now, it's not gonna, everybody that clicks your link, they're not 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna buy on like the first time, right? Now, depending on the product, like if it's like a software, sometimes people will buy on the first time they see the video, if they're really blown away by what the software can do. But if it's like a business opportunity, or if it's like an online training program or something like that, you're really gonna have to build rapport, right? You're gonna have to warm them up to you, and then they'll eventually buy, right? And that's how I've seen it time and time again. I have to build up, right? Keep providing value, educating them on things that they can do, right, inside of their business, and then recommending whichever product I want to promote on the back end. All right. So let me actually pull up. Let's go back over here. So let's say this was your product, right? The AZ code. What I would do is I would go into it, right? This is just me showing you what I would do. And then I would observe the page, right? And check it out, see what's going on. And like one thing I always say is I say either buy it or request a demo from the product owner. So after you've done that, what you would do is after you went through the product, you know what it's about, go and talk, pick different keywords on YouTube to where you can educate people, right? Not specifically on the product. You want to educate them on something else, right? Educating them on something that has to do with the niche that you're involved in, and then present the solution that they're looking for on the back end, right? And then what you're going to do to get your affiliate link, right? You see where it says promote? You're going to click on promote, and I'm going to click create, right? You can see you can earn 60% for each paying customer you refer to this product. So that means I'm going to get 60% of the actual price of this product. All right. Now what you want to do is you want to hit create. After you hit create, you see this link right here. This will be an affiliate link that's unique to you. No one else has this affiliate link. So if someone goes to this link right here, you're going to get paid, right? So what I would do, you don't want to use this big ugly link, right? You don't want to use that. You want to use something like bit.ly.com. Maybe you heard of it, right? They allow you to shorten links, right? And you can also make like custom links as well. So you see this right here, create, and then I would paste this link in here. And then you see it created a link for me. So what I would do is I would copy that link, and then in the description of a YouTube video, let me show you exactly where you would put it at.
All right, 5 different.
All right, so check it out. As you can see, this is the description box. So what I usually do is I'll put the keyword to whichever video, to the keyword that I'm trying to rank for, which you see he did that exactly right here. how to make $100 a day online as a lazy 16 to 17-year-old. And then he did the exact same thing right here. He changed it up a little bit, but he did the exact same thing as far as the keyword he's trying to rank for. Now, usually after that, I'll hit enter, and then right under this, you want it within the first 3 lines. Right under that, I'll go ahead and paste my keyword right here. Somewhere right here, I'll paste, not my keyword, my affiliate link right here. And boom, this way, when you're referring people to the product, which is the solution for them, you can easily say, hey, if you want access to that, just click the link, the first link in the description, and it's going to take you over to a page, and blase, right? Just providing, like, recommending it to them, right? You don't want to sell too much. You just want to say, hey, if you want to get access to this, then just click the link in the description box. All right? So, guys, that is the easiest way to make money online as a beginner in 2018, guys. Literally, this is literally the process I use on a consistent basis. Actually, I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but I've been doing, I did about, today is actually day 5, and it's not really a challenge. It's just me, you know, kind of just trying to stay very consistent, because you know, usually I put out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but guys, I just been on a roll, guys, and I'm just going to continue to keep putting out value, and I hope that you continue to get value from it. So if you in today's video, if you got value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.